Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to hide the section on Wix websites in 2024. So, hiding a section on Wix websites might be tricky, but whether you want to temporarily remove a section or even hide it from visitors while you make some updates, as example, or some changes, I'll just guide you through the process step by step. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first, you'll need to go and log in into your account. Go to this whatever browser you have. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open it, go to the URL section. All you need to do, just type, of course, Wix. Oh, sorry. I don't know why did I type Shin. But anyway, Wix.com, hit the enter button. And this should take you right away into their home screen or main screen. If you're not logged in yet, of course, you'll be taken to this page. Make sure to log in into an account. And if you don't even have an account, just go and create an account. You can use as an example here, a Google, Facebook, Apple accounts if you have one of them, so you don't have to go through all the boring steps of creating and even logging in into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself here. So here you will, it's basically like a dashboard where you can find your sites, etc. So for me, I'll just open both these options because this website used like I'm using this with Wix Editor, and this website I'm using with Wix Studio. It's two different things. It's actually the same thing. It's just different interface or different UI. But Wix Editor, as example, you can use AI options on it. I even created this website totally by AI. If you want to see how to create a website fully using AI, I actually made a video about it. You can go and check it out in this channel. So basically, go and access the site that you want to hide a section from it. Or as an example, so let's just say, I don't know, I'll just go here to pages on this Wix Studio. And I don't know, do I want a privacy policy? What's that page? So, okay, let's say I want to hide this privacy policy page. So how can you do? All you need to do, just go and navigate, of course, into the section that you want to hide. As an example, this one. Of course, you should see like a blue outline, like this one, around the section indicating that is selected. So once you select that, once you select the section that you want to hide, just look for the settings of it. Of course, the settings, you'll find it normally in these three dots. Click on it. All you need to do is go and click on hide. Once you click on hide, as you can see, it's like deleted. It's like not here anymore. As you can see, you can, of course, even hide other stuff. Of course, as you can see, this one. So where's hide again? So this one, as you can see. So everything is okay. I'll just even hide the header. Why not? So where's hide again? Okay, you cannot hide the header. Yeah, it's impossible, of course, to hide the header. So as you can see, nothing in this header. It's hidden. Of course, this is on Wix Editor or Wix Studio. The same will be for Wix Editor. So just look for an example, whatever you want to hide. An example, maybe this blog. And I'll just choose maybe this specific section. So click on settings. As you see on Wix Editor, you'll find settings instead of three dots. And here, but yeah, of course, this is like the settings of the post, not like the section. I want like this old section. So I'll just go and see something in the homepage. Oh, where's the homepage? Okay, I'll just go and click on preview. Click on here on home so I can to the home screen and then click on back and editor. So yeah, as example, because I need to add like to hide a section, I don't want to add like to hide a post basically. So yeah, this one seems right. As an example, of course, you can edit like the background. You can do whatever you want. So once you click on it, of course, just right click once again. And here, as you can see, you'll find some things in here. So where's the hide option? It should be like right here. Where's it? Okay, I can't see it for some reason. And maybe in this Wix editor is not available, but I don't think so. Maybe I just don't know how to do it. Okay, so let's just ignore Wix editor. Let's just go through the Wix like Studio. Maybe it's available just on the Wix Studio. I don't know. I'm not sure. Normally it should be in both, but anyway, just use Wix editor to hide like sections. So here's an example. As we said, we hide all the sections that we want. Of course, we can hide multiple ones, even this cookie policy. I don't know, maybe you want to hide a specific like thing on that, you can always just go hide. Of course, if you don't want to like click on the three dots, you can simply just right click on it and click on hide. If you want to hide a specific thing, as example, So you can just right click again and hide. An example, I'll just hide like a specific like section in here. And yeah, once you hide the section, of course, you can preview the changes and see if it's actually hidden. You can, as example, go here. Where is it? So I don't know, just go to home screen. Okay, let's just hide something also on the home screen to see if it's hidden also. It's going to be hidden as well. For example, this, I'll just go and click on it and click on hide. So it's, yeah, it's hidden now. If I click on preview as example. So yeah, it seems it's not looking, it's hidden. It's not there anymore. So yeah, that's basically how you hide the section. Of course, now just go and publish your changes and it will be hidden forever. And if you ever want to unhide this section, of course, once you finish your changes or whatever you want, you can simply go back in here, select the page that contains the hidden section. As example, I don't know, this one. So this is just the header. So this section is example. If we go and click on this, right click as example. So here's example, just go to the privacy policy page. That's, I hide everything on it. Of course, if you click on the three dots, you'll find nothing in here. So what you need to do, go to this left panel again, click on layers. Once you are on the page that you hide stuff on it, go to layers, and as you can see, you'll find things pinned and things that are hidden. So you go and click on this show and show, it will be back, as simple as that. So the same for the homepage. I hide some stuff on it. So okay, maybe I guess it's back when I was trying. Of course, for Wix Editor, I just checked some stuff and it seems like you can hide it, of course, but not by section. You can hide it by page. You can simply go to this pages right here, just click on the three dots, and you'll be able to hide it. But just from menu, as you can see. Of course, you can show it, but because as you can see, you can even like go and click on the settings of it. As example, you can give it some permissions or do whatever you want on it. But as you can see, that's all you can do. Even you go here, you'll be able to add sections and stuff, and you can simply just hide pages or unhide them from just like, as you can see, so hide from menu or unhide from menu. Of course, if you do it as a sub page, you'll be able also to hide from menu or unhide this from menu. That's it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.